Alright, gang, it's March 16, 2024, Saturday. They killed Dinger and Mandy the other day, even though rescues and adopters got, on this page, 3, 4, 5, 6 dogs out. These people kill. That's what they do. They just thrive on killing. These guys seem to all have gotten out except for Handsome and Sasha. Unfortunately, they'll probably get killed next. Lots of beautiful dogs. Each one of their little lives matter. Alright, Neville just arrived. Onyx, Sirius, Rue. You know, this guy was rescued last year. This place is literally flooding people with dogs. Let me come over to this one here. Okay, here's the latest. 17 new intakes from San Bernardino County. This place cannot keep up with the volume they're dumping on them. Look at all these dogs. Somebody's not a very good husky breeder because all their dogs are showing up here. And the GSDs, German Shepherds. Look at that one. Lots and lots of puppies. And this isn't even all of them, gang. There's a lot more than this. How about this? Now this one is in West Valley Animal Shelter, Chatsworth, California. Look at that. Just a little puppy. 11-week-old Jackson needs rescue. He's in West Valley Animal Shelter, Chatsworth. There he is, Jackson. And is there a contact phone number? There's a location. Where'd it go? There it is. Chatsworth. Anyway, there's that. And then, gang, look at this. This is even more dogs dumped on Apple Valley. How the hell is this place going to keep up? You know, you can't. There's just no way to keep up. So sadly, you know, the vast majority will get executed, but these are the ones that I know of, gang. The ones that I look up and research and see if I can help promote them. Yeah, so let's see what this page has to say. These people never answer you. Just a ton of dogs, people. Just a ton of dogs. Tofu. Hera. Yeah, somebody who's really breeding dogs left and right. Yeah, so what do? You know, all I can do is promote them on here, see what happens. Yeah. Let's see, is there any other... Well, this is their official page. Just a ton of dogs, people. Anyway, I'm just going to try and get this out there, and maybe I can help get one of them saved, or, you know, and it's that bad. So go to that page, AVAS Rescue Team, look at their inventory. It's overflowing. Look at that. That's a beautiful German Shepherd. They're just great dogs. Yeah, the Save Every Dog. That's not going to have all of them, but it has a lot of them. Wonderful dogs. But we'll come back to networking page. And you can see there's a ton of dogs. There is literally a ton of dogs. Let's see, this is another page full of these puppies. I don't know if they even got out. The pit bulls, those are tough dogs to promote and get adopted, but yeah. Alright, gang, just a fast one today. God damn, unbelievable. It's just irresponsible. And then the manager of this place is never there, and obviously doesn't give a shit. I mean, that person should be saying no more new dogs, or give them longer amounts of time. All of these guys could get adopted. Like I said, these are 2 that I know of that got killed. There's probably a lot more that are getting killed, but I'm just going to say this: God bless the people at this Apple Valley Animal Shelter that are going to bat for them, that are trying to get them out the door. It looks like somebody's trying. So, but this place is notorious. They kill just tons and tons and tons of creatures. They kill so many that they have to pay an outside service $5,000 to $490 a month to haul off the dead. So that's little Roo. He'd like to have a home. Anyway, gang, that's it for today. Go look up these pages. See if you can help. We'll catch you on the next YouTube.